Hello? Yeah, sure. I can talk about that. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. In this daily drop, I'm going to talk more about my new set. So let's go. All right, everybody. It is another day, and there's definitely been progress made here with the new set. I'm still not sure whether this is the daily drop set or something else, but it is getting very close to being done, at least for now. You've got to let it lie at a certain point. One of the things I do want to talk about first and foremost is obviously you'll see behind me in the background a bunch of these quote-unquote neon signs. This one has some damage, so it's going back, but these are USB-A powered. So you can power them off of a power bank, off of mains. They have a little remote thing here, so you can increase or decrease the brightness, and that's not something you can do with a traditional neon sign that uses gas and is glass. And these are definitely probably a better option for most applications nowadays if you can find one that's got the vibe that you're looking for. Very inexpensive, about $25 to $40 US for each of these on Amazon. And as you can see, I'm using 3 of them. This one right here is a nod to 2 things. Number one, obviously my love for food, if you follow along on this channel. And number 2, it's a little bit of a nod, though it's not literal, to one of my favorite movies of all time, which is Blade Runner, the original Blade Runner from the 80s. And then just some other, 80s vibe stuff. These sneakers actually were made in the 80s, so I was lucky enough to find a pair that was on Amazon and also in my size. I don't think I'm going to wear them, and I'm only using one here for the set. Got a nod here to DJ, obviously the arcade sign that I am going to be using, and then I'm leaving this space right here empty because I want to be able to do call outs and stuff like that in that space. Olympus OM4Ti, definitely a camera from that time period. I've switched out the other phone that I didn't like the color with this one, though I've ordered some dulling spray because I feel like it's just a little too glossy. And this is actually one of my original Walkmans. This is a Sony. My favorite one was in Iowa, which was also red. That's gone. Long gone. Somewhere. So got to clean up this background a little bit. I'm going to hit it right after this episode with one more coat of paint just to get rid of that little inconsistency right there, and flip the key back to the original side. I did that for a number of reasons. The main one is that I have different backgrounds in this space. This one is wood, so it's a little bit harder to move, so I'm going to have to set some stuff up for that. But, it's going to be good, and having my key on this side allows me to switch out my other backgrounds and not have to reset stuff all of the time. This, in terms of these quote-unquote neon signs, I actually just drilled holes into the quote-unquote wall here for all 3 of these so that I could hide the cabling. So that's going behind the wall over there. And I think that's about it. I'd love to hear your thoughts on the new set. Again, not sure if this is going to be a set for the daily drop or for something else. It's definitely a set I'm going to be using, and I'm still figuring it out. Oh, and cork for the covering here. I have this just sitting on top of my other table covering for other videos that I'm going to be doing for a client. So there you have it. This is pretty much the new set. Pie's ready, I guess. That was the phone going nutty. Don't forget to. And I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.